Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect Motorola Moto X40 to Wi-Fi network. And to do this, we'll need to open a Wi-Fi settings, and you can do this by going through the settings or scrolling down notification bar. Here it is, hold your finger onto it. Now wait till it finds all available Wi-Fi networks. Click on the one that you know the password for, and then simply enter the password. Select connect, and now you successfully connected your phone to the internet. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.